money control. This app, this is very important app for the investors, Indian investors, uh, those who want to take decisions based on the news and as well as some steps through money control you can get some advice, free advices also regarding any shares. So this is the this is the what money control. Okay, here you can see Sensex, Nifty 50, Nifty Bank, all these things. And here if you want to see the top gainer and top loser in the market, today's market, then you can see that TMNM, there is fluctuation, there is increment of about 26 point, and Dr. Reddy almost 185, Hindalco 183, 7 point changes. Okay, Bajaj Auto, Britannia, all these stocks are top gainer. Okay, here top losers you can see IndusLand Bank, NTPC, Bharti Infratel. Okay, ONGC, SBI, all these banks are these are the shares which are top losers. G Entertainment, ITC, BPCL, okay, all these are top losers. And here active by value, okay, which the stocks which have which have been seen with active by value, we can see here. And active by volume, highly volume traded as per volume, we can see here which shares have been traded highly with amount of volume. Tata Motors, all these we have seen we have seen since lockdown or before that Idea and Vodafone, that is the highly not volatile but high traded volume share is this. Okay, so guys, next 52 weeks high and low, and those shares which have made 52 weeks low or 52 weeks high, we can see from here. Okay, for 52 weeks high, we can see that which shares are here which have made 52 weeks high. And here we can see which are the shares which have made 52 weeks low. Okay, so and this is Blue Chief, NSE. Okay, traded only buyers 0.05, 0.05. Okay, stands power 14.10. Okay, these have made 52 weeks low. Okay, only buyer, only share. Here you can also classify all these things. Only buyer, here is only buyer Indostar, Birlasoft, Lendl India, SMS, Life Science, Keeper. All these things are all these stocks have only buyers. And in sellers, we can see the shares in which only sellers have been seen as active. Here, Masquerie Logi, Axis, Cats, okay, Really Gear, VIP Clothing, all these things here we can see in which sellers are active. Okay, and next news section, you can see in news related to. Okay, actually there was news related to COVID-19 vaccine about Dr. Reddy. That's why today's Dr. Reddy shares went or increased very rapidly. So there was news which we can see in money control. And Apple news is auto sector's news is here. In Parliament monsoon session live, this is Kashmir Villa Bank finally finds a savior. All these things related to SEBI, everything you can see here. News, my news, stocks news, ICICI, everything which whatever you want to see, you can see here. Personal finance news, opinion, podcast. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you people. And I don't have any portfolio here. So thank you very much. Please keep watching, keep learning, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for giving your precious time.